There's so many opportunities at ProTech. You can come in at any level and grow into ProTech. We are coast to coast, state to state. We are virtual, we are mobile.
I've had high school graduates that have never touched a car in their lives come in here and be wildly successful ADAS technicians because they're willing to learn.
We have a training team to make sure our technicians are kept up to the most current procedures and current use of tools out there.
These advanced systems help save lives, and that is a huge thing.
Our people is what makes ProTech stand out.
Do you want to be a technician your whole life? Or do you want to see what you have that's in you that you didn't even realize you had yet?
We have the ability to give any shop the peace of mind it was done correctly and their reputation is secure with us doing the work for them. When we look for people for our company, we look for that unique ability of people that want to do the right thing. They want to be in a place where their job is valued.
I knew that what I was doing was going to potentially save someone's life. That's why I got so excited about ADAS, and that's why I've been so passionate about it.
ProTech evolves and they're able to adapt and evolve with an industry that is constantly changing, and this industry is going to keep changing. ProTech is totally positioned to really lead the industry and lead the way for a lot of changes that are going to be happening in our industry.